Now you will listen the special update in English.
In Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir, the All-Party Hurriyat Conference has called upon the United Nations to send its team to examine for itself the ruthless killings, arbitrary arrests and torturing of common people by Indian forces personnel in the territory. All-Party Hurriyat Conference General Secretary Maulvi Bashir Ahmed Irfani, in a statement issued in Srinagar, said Indian fascist regime is treating the Kashmiris worse than animals during massive coordinated search operations and humiliating frisking carried out by its brutal troops in the occupied territory. He hailed the determination of Kashmiri people and said all suppressive measures being employed by New Delhi in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir have failed to subdue the Kashmiris, and the day is not far when they will enjoy complete freedom from Indian yoke. Meanwhile, several people, including 2 photojournalists, were arrested in joint operations by Indian CRPF, NIA, IB, BSF and police in different parts of the Kashmir Valley. Indian Home Ministry has deputed top intelligence experts to assist Indian Army, paramilitary forces and police in the ongoing massive operation against the Kashmiri people. The police during house raids arrested a photojournalist Junaid from Sopore town and Sulaiman from Ganderbal. Global journalist bodies, including International Federation of Journalists and its affiliates, the Indian Journalists Union and the National Union of Journalists India, in a joint statement, condemned the intimidation and harassment of Kashmiri journalists in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and called for release of all detained scribes. Meanwhile, Indian troops continued massive operation in Poonch and Rajouri districts on the 9th consecutive day today. They resorted to heavy firing in Mendhar, Thanamandi and Surankot areas throughout the day. On the other hand, 3 Indian armed personnel committed suicide in Srinagar, Ramban and Udhampur districts today. These incidents raised the number of such deaths amongst Indian troops and police personnel in occupied territory to 519 since January 2007 till date. 22 Kashmiri detainees under Black Law Public Safety Act were shifted from Kot Balwal, Udhampur and Kathua jails in Jammu to high security Agra jail in Indian state of Uttar Pradesh. The authorities did not cite the reasons for the shifting of these detainees. Jammu and Kashmir People's League, in a statement, strongly condemned the shifting and detention of Hurriyat leaders and activists. Members of Muslim, Christian and Buddhist communities took a joint protest rally in Leh town of Ladakh region in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir against Modi government for failing in addressing their problems. The participants of the rally shouted, "Give us job or give us bullet" slogan on the occasion. India is hatching conspiracies to keep Afghanistan burning. According to an analytical report by Kashmir Media Service, India's notorious spy agency, RAW, is using ISIS and other terrorist organizations to deteriorate security situation in Afghanistan and sabotage CPEC in Pakistan. RSS leader Narayan Rai has raped a minor Dalit girl when she was working in his plantation in a Karnataka village. As per India's own National Human Rights Commission, on average 3 Dalit women are raped and 2 are murdered every day in India.